Hello beautiful people, how are you doing? Welcome back to Yummy Yummy with the Lentonets, where cooking is simple, fun and easy. If you're new here, karibu sana. Don't forget to subscribe. But if you're coming back for the second, third and the fourth time, you are welcome back. And make sure you subscribe. It really supports our channel. So guys, today we're going to be preparing chapatis. And let me tell you guys something very interesting about chapatis. You don't have to make the normal boring chapatis. You can decide to make carrot chapatis. You can decide to make butternut chapatis. You can decide to make ginger chapatis. Yani, this thing is just the same procedure that I'm going to show you today. You just have to replace the ingredients with what we have today. So let me take you through my ingredients. I have coriander because today we are going to be making coriander #Dhania chapatis. I have grass onions. I have 2 teaspoons of salt. 1 teaspoon of sugar, sorry. I have some warm water. Some people prefer to use hot water because they believe that it makes their chapati soft. I have 1 kg of all-purpose flour. And of course, I have cooking oil. So guys, meanwhile, make sure you subscribe. Let's do this. So we're going to start with the kneading process. I'm going to add my all-purpose flour. I'm going to add some salt. Some people prefer adding it in their water. Then I'm going to add some sugar. Then I'm just going to add my grass onion into the flour. It brings out some sweet aroma and taste. Then I'm going to add the coriander. Then I'm going to mix them well. Guys, you have to try this recipe. Then I'm going to start my kneading process, adding water bit by bit so that I make sure that I balance the flour and the water. I prefer making a hole in the middle. Then I add the water and knead. So my water is not that cold, it's still a little bit hot. So guys, I'm almost done. You need to knead it until it's no longer sticking on your hands. That's when you're going to know that it's ready. You can add flour if you feel that the water and the flour is not balanced. So guys, at this point I'm going to pour 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Then I'm going to knead it. So literally guys, the 1 tablespoon of cooking oil is going to soften it. So I've just added another one. So now there are 2 tablespoons. Now our dough is ready. Some people love, or I don't know if it is love or like or enjoy leaving it to rest, but as for me, direct to the kitchen. So guys, the next step is I'm going to spread some flour as others call it, on this my kitchen working surface, literally because I want to lay my dough here so that I can roll it. And guys, I want to show you a hack that will help you save time and help you save your cooking oil too, so stay tuned. So I'm just going to roll it. I want to literally lay it on this surface. Now I'm going to form it into a big ball. Then I'm going to roll it on this surface. So guys, I've just laid it. You can see how beautiful it looks. And I love the smell. So now I want to show you the hack. My next step, I'm going to take our vegetable oil and I'm going to smear. Do I call it smear or I call it apply? This is going to save you time, save your oil. So make sure each and every part has oil. By the way guys, I've learned that some people don't use sugar in their chapatis. No offense. You can make it to your choice. So once I'm done with the oil part, I'm going to take you to the next step. So I'm going to use a spoon, or you can decide to use a knife, the blunt part. I'm going to use a spoon. I'm going to make some lines in between it, depending on the size that you want and the number. So the next step guys, I'm going to roll it to my desirable size. You pull and roll. So when you get your desirable size, you cut. Are we together? You cut and you insert the outside part. It's so simple guys. Then you begin with the half that you had cut, sorry. You roll it, then you take a full one, roll it until it gets to your desired size and cut. It's that simple. So make sure you have smeared some flour on your basin so that the dough may not stick. So we are done with that process. I want to take you through my next step. So on to our next step, guys. I have some flour on my surface. Just want to make sure that the dough gets enough of it. And then I'm just going to roll it. So guys, we have our round shape. So guys, on to the next step. Place your pan in the heat. Then once it has heated, let us lay our dough or our chapati in the pan. So you can use different styles, but this is my style, and this is the style for beginners too, for those who are learning. So for this style, I heat both sides before applying any oil. This helps me to get my chapati well cooked in the outside and in the inside part too. It helps me to save time too. So guys, the same case applies to the next one. So I'm just going to turn it. I'm going to flip it to the other side. So guys, we are done with that process, as you can see. Now we are going to the next step of applying oil. Once you do this, it will give you easy time, and it will help your chapatis to cook on the inside part and on the outside part. It will also save you time. So guys, this is our last step of the chapati making. I'm just going to apply some oil. Now I'm going to turn it. And apply the other side too. So one side has started to golden. Allow it to cook on the inside part too. And our first chapati is ready. On to the next one. Lay it on the pan. some oil in the other part first. Turn it over to the other part. Apply oil. This is a very simple recipe for beginners. Make sure you're checking on the other side so that it does not burn. Yay. Once the other side is ready, you're going to flip it onto the other side. Make sure you be careful with the oil so that it does not spill on you, because it is so hot. So guys, and the process continues with the other chapatis too. Hey people, so our Dhania chapatis are ready, as you can see. It's so, guys, it's that simple. Very, very simple. And guys, our chapatis are very soft. If you are very keen, you can notice that they have layers. Awesome guys, so it was nice having you in my channel. It was nice cooking with you. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share our videos, don't forget to tell a friend, to tell another friend to subscribe to our amazing cooking channel. See you in my next video, people. Ciao.